Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. A way to lose weight while you sleep. Yep, you heard that right. We're talking about clove water. It's an amazing night drink for weight loss that can boost fat burning and improve digestion as you catch those Z's. So, here's what you need. 5 cloves, 1 glass of water, that's about 250 milliliters, and if you like things sweet or spicy, add half a teaspoon of honey and cinnamon powder, totally optional, but highly beneficial. Now, let's get to the fun part, making it. First, grab a glass of water and toss in those cloves. Boil it for about 5-10 minutes and then let it cool a bit. If you're adding honey or cinnamon, mix them in now. Drink it before bedtime in small sips to let the magic happen. Why should you try clove water? Well, it burns belly fat by breaking it down faster, it improves digestion by reducing bloating and preventing constipation, and it detoxifies your body by removing toxins while you sleep. Plus, it boosts your metabolism, keeping it active overnight, and helps you sleep better by reducing stress. Sounds like a dream, right? Just a couple of tips: don't make it too strong because it might cause acidity, stick to just 1 glass per night, and if you're pregnant or have BP issues, check with your doctor first. So, give this clove water a try and let me know how it works for you. Sweet dreams and happy slimming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you next time.